Hello and welcome back to my channel, House of AB Design. I'm AB and I'm so happy you decided to click that thumbnail. This video is the third installment of my Christmas Decorate With Me series, in which I show you how I go throughout my home and decorate for the upcoming holiday. Today I'm in my dining room. I wanted to show you a couple of ways to style your dining table for the upcoming holiday, some napkin folding techniques that I picked up along the way. If that's something that you want to see, then continue watching. And also I'd like to thank my subscribers that have subscribed thus far. I really appreciate your support and all the nice kind comments that you guys have been giving me and watching my videos. So again, without further ado, let's get into this video. Let's get started with this console. You guys remember the flock tree setup that was from my Christmas sneak peek video. I decided to use it as an anchor for this console vignette. This flock garland I purchased from Joann that I cut into 2 pieces and rounded the corners. I also placed 2 wine bottle lights in them. This snowflake I got from the Dollar Tree and painted one side of it gold. I placed one on both sides of the console. This candle holder was a DIY. Be sure to check out my previous video where I show you how I made this candle holder from an old lamp base. I'm placing one on both sides to give the vignette some height. I purchased these tapered tree candles from Big Lots. These gold mercury vases I purchased from Home Goods. And this Music Joy to the World plaque I got from the At Home store. For the tablescape, I start with this beaded snowflake runner that I purchased from Home Goods. Next, I'm using a tiered tray centerpiece that I created. Be sure to check out the video. I'll be sure to link it in the suggested cards above. These garland picks I purchased from Target. I placed them on either side of the centerpiece in order to extend it in both directions. These 2 Eiffel Tower statues I've had for quite some time. I decided to spray paint them gold. I then placed the remaining 2 garland picks under the Eiffel Towers on both sides. The green and gold tree candles I'm placing on either side of the table runner were purchased from Big Lots. I thought the candles were very unique and added both texture and color. Now for the place setting. I'm placing these gunmetal chargers that I already had to pick up the gray that's in the table runner. These gold coral chargers placed on top also bring out the gold that's in the beaded runner. The etched glass plates, also with gold branch detail, also add to the setting. I decided to fan some neutral napkins with a snowflake print and insert them in a gold napkin ring and place them on top. Gold stainless steel flatware flank both sides of the place setting. I thought this would be a good time to show you how to incorporate some festive napkin folding techniques. These designs are sure to wow your guests if put at a place setting, and they're very easy to do. I've even used them for events that I have hosted in the past. For this first design, you need a napkin, preferably 18 inches square, and fold it in half. Fold the napkin once again so that you have a smaller square. Carefully fold the first layer downward just under the edge. Next, fold the second layer just under the first one. Fold the third layer just under the second one, and then the final layer you'll fold just under the third piece. Flip the entire napkin over and fold once again so that you create a triangle in the middle. Turn the napkin over to the front side. Then tuck each layered point under, starting at the top as shown. When you get to the final layer, turn the napkin over once again so that you can tuck the remaining bulk inside. Press down to secure and tweak as necessary. You can have the napkin tree lie flat, or you can have it sit upright and embellish however you desire. For this next design, fold the napkin in half and then fold it again lengthwise. Find the middle and then fold it downward. Fold the other half downward to match so that you create a triangle. Fold the first side once again, then fold the other side so that it meets in the middle. Fold the napkin completely in the middle, then lay the napkin on its side and fold the piece on the top upward. Wrap the remaining fabric around the folded piece and tuck it into the side folded as shown. Now tweak the top part of the napkin, folding down the fabric, and you're done. Although I didn't choose either napkin folding technique, I could have easily incorporated them into my tablescape. I'm completing my tablescape design with some gold stem wine glasses. Now for the wine bar area. I'm placing this joy wreath sign that I DIY'd off camera. 2 tree candles and gold candle holders are placed in the middle. You guys remember the DIY Z Gallery inspired bird dupe that I created in one of the Christmas sneak peeks? Well, she finally has a home. For added interest, I placed some lights inside an empty wine bottle along with another gold spray painted snowflake. I finished the look with printed sheet music that I got off the internet in a Dollar Tree frame. Moving on to my corner etagere, I'm placing these 3 DIY candles on the bottom shelf. I purchased the candles as well as the foil wrapping from the Dollar Tree. Not bad for just under $7. On the second shelf, I placed 3 DIY books that I spray painted gold and blinged the sides, and placed a mosaic lantern style tea light candle holder on the top. This scene that I'm placing on the top shelf was the top of a 2-tiered scene setter that I created in one of my previous sneak peek videos. This cream-colored reindeer that I purchased from Dollar General completes the look. I'm really happy with how this entire dining room decor turned out for this upcoming holiday season. I was going for a rustic, earthy Parisian vibe that incorporated a lot of the items that I already had, while also introducing some DIYs with rich gold, green, and neutral tones. I hope this video inspired you to create a festive and welcoming environment for your guests this holiday season. Be sure to check out my other Christmas videos to gather more inspiration and to also see how I DIY'd some of the items you see in this video. Also, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell so that you are notified each time I post new content. Until next time, thanks for watching.